Hello my friend and welcome back. My name is Hana and today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. Obviously on this eye that doesn't have any makeup, it's like freaking me out to look at my image in my viewfinder. So if you're curious about what I'm wearing on my face, what I mentioned in today's video, what I'm doing in other pockets of the internet, I always have links in the description box down below. But now that it's October, I don't know, I love October. It's kind of like my favorite time of year. I've talked about this many times on my channel, but if you don't know, I like to cosplay, and I don't know, I feel like that's the time that everybody likes to cosplay. Everybody's wearing a costume for Halloween, so it's just like overall excitement. Today I'm wearing my like little jack-o'-lantern sweater, and I don't know, I work in an office setting, so I can kind of push what I do with my makeup. Let me rephrase that better. I work in an office setting where they do not care how I do my makeup. Like, I have really been pushing it and been coming in with like wild looks, and no one says anything. Maybe like not to my face, but like that's okay. So if you're in a setting like that, or I don't know, you just want to do something fun, but like I don't know, maybe can't do like a full face paint, you know, of I don't know, I was gonna say Hellraiser. Is that his name? The Pinhead from Hellraiser. I'm drawing a blank on his name. Pinhead? Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. I will mention again all the things that I'm using on my face. This video isn't so much about like use these specific products. Use what you have in your collection. It's more about just like doing the makeup look. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see a close-up of my eye. Okay, now we're like uncomfortably close to my face, but I really want to show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going to start this look by going into the BH Lost in Los Angeles palette. You can do this with a setting powder. It doesn't necessarily have to be a white eyeshadow. I just like the inner corner highlight that a white shadow gives me. And I'm just going to kind of tap and blend that into the outer corner. I will be using a kohl liner today, and so I'm just doing this so my inner corner right here doesn't start to bleed or like disappear. I mean, it will eventually throughout the day, but I mean, it would be a lot easier to touch up if you kind of have it with the setting powder. I have a bit of a hooded eye situation, so like right here and a little bit right here, that's where my makeup always kind of starts to break up the most, especially with something creamy like a kohl liner. So I have to be careful. And then I'm going in with the Nars Kohl Liner. Again, you can use any liner that you like. This is just the only one that I have in my collection as far as like a black liner goes. And I mean, I guess you could do the opposite of this look too and use like an orange liner and then like a black eyeshadow. Oh, should I do that instead? That's what I'm gonna do instead, actually. Wait, is that what I want to do? No, I'll just keep it the same, but you can flip it around and do like an orange liner and a black eyeshadow. I think that would be really cool. But I'm just gonna trace the inner part of my eye. And if this part freaks you out, I'm sorry. I'll try to do it as fast as I can. I just want to get enough product on my little eye so it matches. Ooh. I need a close-up mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. And I'm just following the shape of my eye. I'm not doing anything too crazy. Oh gosh, does that even look even? I don't know. With a kohl liner, and especially this Nars one in particular, you do kind of have to warm it up before you apply, or else it does tend to drag. I think that looks about even. I don't know. I'll say yes. And then I just kind of slightly line my under eye. I don't press too hard, and I'm just kind of taking that liner across. Oh, jeez. I have really long lower lashes, so like sometimes the product will catch on my eye, and then it gets crazy, but it's okay. It doesn't necessarily need to be perfect. And then for this part, I'm not really necessarily doing a straight line. It's a lot easier to accomplish this, I feel like, with a more, like with a pencil, like a, I don't know, what am I trying to say? With a traditional eyeliner. This one is a mechanical kohl liner, so it is a little bit difficult to get more of like a graphic shape. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start going up and then out, just to give a little bit of shape. And then I'm gonna kind of do what they tell you not to do, and I'm gonna hold my face and apply this liner. Again, it doesn't necessarily need to be pretty. And even though I have a hooded eye, doing this part right here, this is perfect, because I'm gonna then take just like a rounder, thicker brush, I guess, and I'm just gonna like start blending that out. It's not gonna look too pretty, but again, that's the point. We just wanna blend this black in. Oh, Jesus. I'm losing the line that I had. Oh gosh. I'm having that like struggle of like one eyeliner looks one way and then another one looks a different way. But here we are. We're just gonna trust the process. Oh, Jesus. That's fine. I'll take it. And then, you know, you just have your handy dandy little sponge and you can just kind of clean things out. And I don't know, it's spooky makeup, so take it all the way to your hairline if you have to. Trust the process, trust the process. I'm just gonna kind of blend it a little bit on the outer corner and under my eye, just to soften those lines. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a liquid black liner, because this kohl liner, it just blends really softly, and I'm just gonna draw that line that I wanted originally. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. And I'm gonna kind of connect it down below, and I'm just gonna take it over my lash line. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. Or maybe it does need to be perfect and this just looks really terrible. Who knows? I think it looks fun. So that's what we're gonna do. We're, again, trusting this process. We'll see what happens. God, are my lashes even going in separate directions? That's okay, that's fine. Oh, now I get to do the fun part. Okay, so I'm going in with the BH Orange Sherbet palette. It's just an orange monochromatic palette, as you can tell. I'm gonna go in with this orange shade. Pick the orange that you like. I like a bright orange. So I'm gonna take it in the inner corner right here, and I'm just gonna pack it on. I did apply eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I guess you don't have to if that's not something that you do, but again, I have hooded eyes and I want my makeup to stay in place all day, so I'm a big fan of a primer, and I'm just gonna build it up in this outer corner. Again, you don't really need any rhyme or reason because you're not necessarily doing clean lines. You're just kind of getting color and shape on your eye. And I'm just taking it in with a denser, kind of fluffier brush, and I'm blending it out. Did I also here, let me add more. Did I pack more on this eye than this eye? Probably. There. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit on my lower lash line right here and blend it out. So we have a matching of color. You are more than welcome. I mean, this is also really easy if you have like short nails and it's you can also go in with your finger and kind of applying it on the lower on the lower lash line. You can also kind of clean up your shadow line with your eyeshadow, with your orange shadow. And I'm just gonna kind of make it even. You could take a shimmer on the outer parts. Am I gonna do that anyway? Why not? I'll take the shade Double Scoop, but I'm gonna take it in, oh God. I'm gonna take it in with my finger, and I'm just gonna press that on. Because why not? We're already here, trust the process. I already have a yellow highlight on my face, so why not? Why not just be shiny anyway? Who cares? Ugh. I think that looks fine. Okay, so then what I'm going to do off camera is apply my mascara, my lashes, and the orange liner that I have in my waterline, because I don't think you need to see that process. It's just me having things close to my eyeball, and I don't know. If you're like me, you don't necessarily need to see it. And then I will zoom out, and then we can judge my look together. Okay, I'm back. The lash on this eye is really irritating my soul. It wants to flip up. It's irritating me. Okay, so let's talk about the look. I think this is really fun. I really like this. I probably, if I had the right tools, could have probably done the liner in a way that I really like, because I wanted more of like a bold black line. But now I kind of wish that I did an orange liner and a black shadow, like I flipped it around, but I'm not mad at it. It's okay. I did go in with my, I think this is from Dandelion Cosmetics. It is the highlighter I got last year that has a jack-o'-lantern in it. Ugh. Let me show you. And it's super cute. I forgot how much I love this, and now I'm kind of kicking myself for buying that highlighter set from ColourPop for the Winnie the Pooh series, because that silly old bear shade that like sold out and everybody loved because it was a yellow highlight, that's exactly what this is. This is like a yellow highlight, even though there's orange like in it, like it's more true to yellow, and it's really pretty. I did go in with I also went in with the Raw Honey Melt blush highlight duo thing. I don't know, a more bronze cheek with like an orange eye, just, I don't know, goes together. I did use the Claydos lip clay. I was trying to go in with the light hand, and I didn't realize how much of, like I didn't realize that the gloss was going to kind of lighten the shade, because I would have applied more product where I did, because now it just looks more of like a washed out black than like a true black. I don't know, I was going more for like a matte black kind of thing, and then when you blend out products, it just kind of, I don't know, it's blended. But I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. How would you execute this look? Like, what are your thoughts and opinions, your tips and tricks? I would love to hear them. And I don't know, do you have any plans for Halloween? Are people doing costumes? I think Halloween's on a Monday this year, so I don't know. I work at a school, in a school district, so I know that I might see kids on the way to school because they have to drive by my office like to get to school, or like walk by my office to get to school. So I don't know, we'll see. Also, what are your tips and tricks for false lashes? Because I hate nothing more than gluing on false lashes. They really irritate me, but I love how they pull a look together. I think it would be really hard to do this look without lashes, but you are more than welcome to do whatever it is that you want to do with your makeup. And if you liked hanging out with me today and you would like to see more, especially this month as I'm trying to post a little bit more regularly throughout the week, I know I've been really doing like 2 videos minimum. I'm gonna try and at least kick it up to 3, possibly 4. I know, look at me go. But I don't know, I want to do more fun makeup looks like this and kind of swing that into the holiday season. So again, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.